Are you exhausted from constantly receiving notifications that read XYZ tagged you in their post or XYZ mentioned you in their comment on Facebook? Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You are watching GetAssist, and in this video, I have a solution to reclaim your control over your feed and to put an end on the tag spam madness. So let's get started. So guys, in such cases, most of you have been guided that you have to go to your Facebook account, then go to notification settings, tap on reminders, and then disable allow notifications on Facebook, which means you are straight away asking Facebook that I don't want any of the notification on my Facebook, whether it's important or not, which may cause you to miss out any important notification too. So this approach isn't going to solve your problem. Now, I'll guide you through the easiest way to address your problem without missing any of your important notifications in this video. For this process, again open up your Facebook account and tap on the hamburger option or the three dots or your profile icon from here. Then go to settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then scroll to notifications and there look for tags. Thereafter scrolling, you will find receive notifications for, and here you have 4 different options, or I say filters. The first one, batch mentions. Like if someone tag you using an @ like @everyone, @followers, @friends or @highlights, then you can disable them from this option and it will no longer send you notifications regarding those batch mentions, those with the @ in them. And it's completely your choice whether you want to enable it or disable it, as if they are annoying you, poking you, you can disable them, and if they are not hindering you, then you can go for the next one. And the next one is post you have commented on. In this, if you ever commented on any of the posts on Facebook, then Facebook will find that you are interested in that particular post and it will keep on sending you notifications regarding that the post have been updated, someone else is commented on that post, this person liked it, that happened to the post, and all the recent activities of it. So again, you have the choice to enable it or to disable it. Now comes the third point. The third one is for joined groups. Again, the same thing, it is for groups. If you feel so that the group notifications are annoying you or of no use, then disable them. Simple. And then comes the fourth and the last one, people you mentioned before. This kind of post, what happens if someone posted something and a third person commented your ID or your name in that particular post? What happens if you reply back to them? Facebook again thinks that you are interested in it and it will start the conversation with that person and it will start notifying you again and again whenever that person that commented your name in it comments something else on that post. So if you don't want to stuck in such conversations, again you have the option to disable them. And that's how, if you're getting too many notifications anonymously of anything, anyone mentioning you, anyone tagging you again and again and again, you can disable them by yourself only. And those irrelevant posts will not disturb you as you have adjusted your settings. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends who are facing the same problem, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Just keep watching GetAssist.